So here we have someone with gorgeous orange colored hair. Looks like the stylist is mixing in bangs, cutting, going much shorter. Wow, look at this pixie haircut. Absolutely stunning. She looks amazing. I love the cut and the color combination. Beautifully done. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, hairstyle ideas, options that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with your boring strands and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a beautiful bob haircut transformation. The stylist did a classic, easy, effortless, chic bob style. I think she also went darker with this look. She looks amazing. Beautifully done. And then we have another long to short transformation. Looks like she's also getting a bob. Stylist is adding in some bangs with this one as well. And then we move on to someone that she does have some grown out color here. Stylist did add in some color. Beautiful curtain bangs and a nice bob hairstyle. Next up, we have someone else who decides to switch it up to a bob hairstyle. She also went darker. Beautiful bottleneck bangs to frame out the face. So it looks like we have someone getting some face framing layers here. I really like how this stylist takes the time to measure out the bangs and just really use the guide and give his clients the perfect length for the bangs. So here he is back again, cutting another bob style, using his measuring hack for cutting some bangs. Beautifully done. Very nice shape and texture for this bob style. Here we have yet another gorgeous bob haircut. Wow, absolutely stunning. She looks amazing. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.